Good morning, class. I am Anil Saxena, your physics teacher, with the next video on the topic magnetic effect in electric current. Students, in lower class, you have learned about the magnetism. Actually, in ancient time, there was the place named Magnesia. Certain kind of stones were found in Magnesia, which were having very special property to attract the object toward themselves. Certain object toward themselves. People were surprised to find it, to observe it, and because of this property, those or finding those substances in the magnesia, those stones, or you can say lodestones, they were given the name of the magnet. Here we are going to discuss the magnetic effect of electric current. In last chapter we have discussed many effects of electric current, like the heating effect of electric current. In that we have discussed how heat is produced by the help of electric current. So again, I am repeating again the basic cause for the electric current. Class, it is the movement of electron. And now it is you must know that electrons actually have the translocatory type of motion, like a spin ball or earth, that is made up of two type of motion. One is the revolutionary motion, it's revolve in its path, and second is spin, it is spin on its axis, around its axis. So it is similar to the motion of a spin ball or the earth. Class, first type of the motion of electron, like revolutionary motion, in this electron revolve around on its path, actually cause electric effect, electric current, actually produce electric field which cause the flow of current. While the second kind of motion, that is the spin of electron around its axis, this cause magnetism. Since both type of the motion of electron can't be separated, they are associated with each other. That is revolution as well as spin. Similarly, electric field and magnetic field, both type of the effect can't be separated. They are simultaneously produced. That means if you have produced electric field somewhere, definitely magnetic field is also produced, and vice versa. We will begin the chapter with one important activity which describe actually how magnetism, which identify or which help to identify or describe that electric current produces magnetism. We are going to prove if we have electric field, then magnetism is there or magnetic field is there. So classes can easily be proved by the simple activity shown in the picture, shown in this page, activity number 13.1. Here we have taken a circuit which contains resistor, that is a conducting wire. The meter is connected, battery is connected to provide potential difference. A cardboard is connected over there. Class, as the circuit is completed, connection is done, flow of current takes place through the wire. On the cardboard, you can see the flow of current through that wire, through the side of that side of the circuit where the cardboard is connected. On the cardboard, a magnetic compass is placed. Magnetic compass is actually a small box which contains magnetic needle or needle made up of magnetic material, which is considered as the weightless, and it is tilted its own axis, so it can revolve, it can rotate around on axis on facing on finding certain force of attraction or repulsion. So when magnetic compass plays on this cardboard, we find deflection in the compass, which prove that there is magnetic field. What we haven't taken any magnet, we have taken electric field, we have taken a circuit, and that circuit that which provide the flow of current, or you can say the production of electric field, actually producing magnetic field. In this chapter we will discuss such kind of activities which will prove that magnetism is produced by electric field in the first half of the chapter, while in the second half, opposite of it, that magnetic field produces electric field. So two type of the activities we have to discuss in the chapter, very important chapter and very important activity. Class, today you are going to prepare only this activity which prove that magnetic field is produced by the help of electric field. Thank you very much.